Before you begin texturing, we recommend you purge the steam wand first by touching the milk icon. Touch it again to stop the steam delivery. Select your milk type from dairy, almond, oat, and soy. When texturing, begin with fresh, cold milk. Fill the milk jug to just below the spout position, and then lift the steam wand and insert into the milk jug. Lower the steam wand, ensuring it is fully down. The milk jug should rest on the milk temperature sensor, located on the drip tray, and milk should cover the ring around the steam wand tip. The milk icon will indicate whether you place the milk jug correctly. To start, touch the milk icon. The screen will display the temperature of the milk as it heats. Milk texturing will stop automatically when the selected milk temperature is reached. Lift the steam wand to remove the milk jug and then wipe the wand tip with a clean, damp cloth. Then, lower the steam wand to a downward position to activate automatic purging. Remember, different brands and types of milk and milk alternatives will texture differently, so you may need to adjust your temperature and texture levels accordingly.